So we've seen previous tutorial how we can actually use the Meta Business Suite. Today we'll be using the actual engaging stuff to use Meta AI search into Facebook. It's going to be really important to get started. So if you notice, there's a colorful reading icon into your search bar. We search what we do actually into it. This is the actual Meta AI. So when you open the actual Facebook, look out for Facebook AI search bar, it will be looking for something like this. So basically here you see the blue pink gradient Meta AI ring. It will be looking for something like this. Here, for example, you can ask questions in prompting. For example, is how to talk to it. Unlike the old school, for example, let's type, for example, give me a quick recipe, I don't know, for a healthy breakfast using eggs and spinach, right? Basically what's going to happen here is exactly just as the actual artificial intelligence of Gemini, of the Cloudy, or the ChatGPT. It will be showing you for a few tools how you can actually get started. For example, here is the actual show the thinking. If you want to be using this for something much more, let's say, advanced tools, here go for the actual element system thinking. So it's go for instant, for answers straight away, or thinking for reasons longer for better answers. If you go for the plus versions, you can add media such as the creations you have typed so far, or click into the browser, drag and drop here. For example, I'm going to be adding just in this case this image that we have generated with the artificial intelligence, and let's say, for example, what do you think about this YouTube video thumbnail? This is for a tutorial. If you can help me make things better, or this one looks perfect. Basically what's going to happen, if I already have the enabled of the thinking version, is going to be reviewing the actual image itself, so we don't have to tell what is inside the image. Automatically the artificial intelligence will be understanding what's inside the actual image, and is going to be making, in this case, as you can see, planning the thumbnail redesign. I'm sketching a clear layout that keeps the Canva versus the Photoshop theme, boosting the contrast hierarchy, so the Spanish style is readable, mobile trim clutter around the actual logos. So you can tell what you wanted to the actual Facebook artificial intelligence, which is the Meta AI. You can do images, you can do videos, you can do almost whatever you actually wanted to. So make sure that when you check directly into the Meta AI, which is directly inside here, you are directly inside here. We can analyze, we can learn, we can even connect to my applications into the Meta AI, such as the Gmail, the calendar, all of the actual tools. So I'm going to be closing this just for now. Head back directly inside here and look out for the actual differences between both of them. As you can see, this actually doesn't look that bad. Of course, there are a few elements that need to be changed. For example, in here, this doesn't look really well. This one looks a little bit weird. So sometimes the creation between the artificial intelligence images is not so perfect, but still it actually looks a really great work. So a quick pro tip that I can give you is that if you still wanted to find your friend's profile or a specific group, for example, you can still do that when you type a name into search bar. Facebook will help you type this for yourself really fast. When you go into search into Facebook, you can see it directly inside here. So check out how it actually everything looks and appearing directly inside here, right? So that's it, how to use the Meta AI search into the Facebook to level up your browsing experience, guys. It's fast, it's free, it saves you from constantly switching over to Google. So you have, guys, any question, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. There is so much to learn nowadays into the Meta AI. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.